I'm going to share my step-by-step strategy that lets you trade Memecoins on autopilot, so you can sit back and watch your investments grow. You know, we've all heard those crazy stories of people making 100, 200, even 1,000 times their investment in Memecoins. And I'm sure you're wondering, how do they do it? Is it luck, skill, or something else entirely? Well, the truth is, it's possible to achieve those kinds of returns, and it's not just for the lucky few. With the right strategy and tools, anyone can trade Memecoins successfully and make life-changing profits. The key to unlocking this potential is automation. By setting up your trades to run on autopilot, you can take the emotion out of trading, avoid impulsive decisions, and let the markets do the work for you. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So, if you're tired of manually monitoring your trades, constantly checking the charts, and stressing about when to buy or sell, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to trade Memecoins on autopilot and start making those 1000x returns a reality. Memecoins are a unique beast. They can moon in a matter of hours, or they can crash just as fast. And that's what makes them so exciting, but also so challenging to trade. One minute you're on top of the world, the next you're staring at a sea of red. Volatility is just part of the game when it comes to Memecoins. And it's what scares off so many potential traders. But the truth is, volatility can be your friend if you know how to harness it. The problem is, most traders don't know how to handle the ups and downs. They get caught up in the emotional roller coaster of trading, and that's when they start making mistakes. Fear and greed take over, and before you know it, you're out of the game. Another major challenge is timing. When do you buy, and when do you sell? It's easy to get caught up in the hype, FOMO, and speculation. But that's a recipe for disaster. And then there's the information overload. There are so many different sources, opinions, and strategies out there. It's hard to know what to trust. You can waste hours, even days, poring over charts, news, and social media, trying to make sense of it all. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify all of this? A way to cut through the noise, eliminate the emotion, and let the markets do the work for you? That's what autopilot trading can do. Autopilot trading isn't just about making a quick buck. It's about creating a system that works for you, not against you. It's about leveraging technology and strategy to achieve consistent, profitable results. Of course, the big question is, how do you set up autopilot trading for Memecoins? What are the tools, platforms, and strategies you need to use? And is it even possible for a beginner to get started? The good news is, it's easier than you think. With the right software and a solid understanding of the markets, anyone can start trading Memecoins on autopilot. So, let's dive in and cover the steps involved in setting up autopilot trading for Memecoins. First, you're going to need a trading platform that supports automation. There are several options out there, but I recommend using one that specializes in cryptocurrency trading. Next, you'll need to choose the right software for automating your trades. This could be a bot, a script, or even a third-party service. The key is to find something that integrates seamlessly with your platform and can execute trades on your behalf. Now, when it comes to strategy, there are several approaches you can take. You can use a mean reversion strategy, a trend-following strategy, or even a combination of both. The key is to find a strategy that works for you and your risk tolerance. Once you have your platform, software, and strategy in place, it's time to set up your trades. This involves defining your entry and exit points, setting your stop losses, and choosing the right Memecoins to trade. It's also important to monitor your performance and adjust your strategy as needed. This is where having a solid understanding of the markets comes in. You need to be able to analyze your results, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments on the fly. As you start trading on autopilot, you'll quickly realize the power of automation. You'll be able to trade 24/7 without having to constantly monitor the markets. You'll be able to scale your trades and increase your profits without having to lift a finger. I remember when I first started trading on autopilot. It was like a weight had been lifted off my shoulders. I no longer had to worry about missing out on trades or making impulsive decisions. I could just sit back, relax, and let the markets do the work for me. And the results were incredible. I was making consistent profits day in and day out, without having to do anything. It was like having my own personal trading assistant, working for me 24/7. But don't just take my word for it. I've seen countless other traders achieve similar results using autopilot trading. They've been able to scale their trades, increase their profits, and achieve financial freedom. One trader I know, John, was able to make over 5,000% returns on his investment in just a few months. He was using a combination of mean reversion and trend-following strategies, and his autopilot system was executing trades on his behalf. Another trader, Sarah, was able to turn a small investment into a six-figure sum in just over a year. She was using a proprietary trading bot that she had developed herself, and it was consistently making trades on her behalf. These are just a few examples of what's possible when you trade Memecoins on autopilot. And the best part is, anyone can do it. So, let's recap what we've covered so far. We've talked about the challenges of trading Memecoins and how autopilot trading can simplify the process. We've covered the steps involved in setting up autopilot trading, from choosing a platform to selecting a strategy. And we've seen some incredible results from real traders who are using autopilot trading to make life-changing profits. If you're still reading this, congratulations. You're one step closer to achieving financial freedom. You now have the knowledge and tools you need to start trading Memecoins on autopilot. So, what's holding you back? Don't be afraid to share your experiences or questions in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about specific trading strategies, be sure to check out our next video where we dive deeper into the world of mean reversion and trend following. Thanks for watching.